need to understand how to ask the right questions. You need to understand what is considered to be valuable to your particular client. That is really where it begins, because where you think the value is, the value may not even lie in that particular perspective. So it's going to be so important to understand how to ask the right questions. And sometimes the way to ask the right questions is to really ask the person, can you tell me a little bit about yourself? Can you tell me about your business? Can you tell me what you're dealing with? And then be quiet. I think as business owners, we have a tendency to want to talk, because we're on a mission. But this is where you go into a listen-only mode and you listen to what your clients are saying so that you can really understand what it is that they're needing and wanting, and you're able to answer that question by solving their problem.